doesn't worry me. I park around the corner, I don't care. I've got legs. But some neighbours are like adamant that just outside my house. Yeah. So they'll park an inch off your bumper.
As long as you can park somewhere.
Yeah, exactly. It's just the way it is with overcrowded country, I suppose. Well, not so much overcrowded country. That's not the wrong. That's
Just
word.
in certain places, isn't it?
No, because there's not that amount of people. It's what they can afford to buy. So you've got 80 million people, all with 3 cars each, basically.
Yeah.
You know.
Haven't they restricted driving in London now?
Yeah, it's getting worse and worse. Well, they're not restricted it. It's the problem. The way they've gone through it is, you know, let's try and price people off the road. Well, you won't. You'll only price the people that can't afford it off the road, who need to do it. So they've put a congestion charge that's been there for years now. I can't remember what it is. I've been to London driving for years. It's about 10 quid. And now, if you've got a vehicle that is under a certain pollution level, if you want to drive into that zone, you now have to pay another £25. It's really expensive. But so you've got your limos going by, your big rollers and Jags and everything else. But the man that works, you know, in Marks and Spencer's can't afford to drive into work anymore. He's going to take public transport, which your face is pressed against the glass because there's not enough people, not enough investment in the infrastructure. Yeah, so it's no.
I just remember when I visited just over the year now, probably closer to 2 years, so fairly recent. When I was staying in London for 10 days, and I just remember how automated everything is. All using cards,
Yeah.
so you can use your phone to load your card, and then
use your phone.
put the card into your wallet, and then when you go in and go into the underground, you don't even have to take your card out of the wallet.
Yeah.
Of course, I'm suspicious of governments, so
Everything's on record.
What else are they scanning? Well, if you put your wallet with the card in, aren't they scanning everything in there?
I mean, after working in IT for all those years, then basically they're only going to get your banking details. They would get your records of what you spent, where you spent it from the bank anyway. That's always been there, no matter how you spent it. Yeah. Thank you. But no, the automation situation now is that I don't take cash with me anymore, because even in a small corner shop, you can pay by your card. So there used to be an embarrassment of paying for something like, you know, under like £5 or less. And that's stuck with people over a certain age. But the younger ones, they'll buy like, you know, a can of drink, you know, 50, 60 pence. They use their card to buy it with no shame. Not that I'm saying there should be shame, but the point is that there's a sort of shift in the sort of culture again because of technology. And you can pay with my phone quite often now. It's got Apple Pay on the phone, so just like hold the phone up to the screen.
But I'm not wary of that, the fact that they know exactly where you are.
No, because if I use my card, but if I use my card and put a PIN number in, then they still know. So it's no different. But you know, some places now is like you want to pay cash. You know, you pull out a £20 note. Oh, you want to pay cash? I don't think I've got change for £20.
When I was in America still, there was actually a penalty for paying in cash.
Oh really?
At one particular place, they didn't want you to pay cash because
that was because they pay to bank it.
It was so easy.
Yeah.
It was so easy for them that everything was electronic.
Yeah, no, it's
I don't really like the idea.
I thought you keep tickling my leg. Stop.
I really don't like the idea of a cashless society.
I'm not sure. I mean, I don't even pay for my parking buy cash anymore when I park. I've got an app on my phone. I hit a button, it knows where I am. I say, yeah, park here. It knows my registration. Yeah, that's me. I want to stay for 2 hours. Fine. Takes the money straight out the account. The only problem with that, I forget to write it down. At the end of the week, I spent like 20 quid on parking. So,
Dog, what is it you want?